positively beautiful day. Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Day. So I am excited to be doing this video once again. So today I am just going to do my makeup. I wanted to make it like a drugstore theme makeup, but the eyeshadows I only bought here is the Pat McGrath and the e.l.f. palette. So maybe I'll just do something with the e.l.f. palette, maybe. Because I do, but I don't have any like blushes or anything for drugstore. So I'm just going to do what I have. And the main, I guess, products as far as like the foundation and the eyeshadow palette is going to be drugstore. So stay tuned and watch the creation that I come up with. So first, I am going to be using my eyeliner slash brow pencil from the Dollar Tree. If you guys are working on a budget, this is really great for your brows, and it's cheap. It's only $1 and you get two of them around this size. So I like to do my bottom line first, and then I go on top, brush my hairs down, and then I do the top. I do make my tail darker. Again, brush my hairs inside of those lines. Okay, and then I fill them in very lightly towards the front of the brow. Then as I go into like the center, I darken it up. So this is what I like to do. Go back and forth with the brush, comb my hairs, get them how I like it. So there they are. I always do this one bigger and do this one longer. I don't know. So I'm going to get my concealer, my Juvia's Place in 11. Just a dot, because it goes a long way. I hope this is not too much. I'm going to use my flat brush here and arch. So I like to lay my concealer down, and then I have the residue on there, and then go into arching the bottom of the brow. This Juvia's Place is so full coverage. It's just amazing. I mean, Juvia's Place is not considered a drugstore, but you get what I'm saying. Sometimes I have my good days with my brows and sometimes I don't. And it's just one of those days. So I'm just using the residue concealer on this brush to kind of lighten the ends up. I use a brush to try to blend this harsh line right here, blend this in really good. because you want it to be seamless when you put your foundation down. No harsh lines. Sometimes I use my beauty blender to do this, to blend everything out, but I'm using my brush. Just spreading this concealer on my lid with my brush, just to pack it on there. And then it makes the process go easier as well. Using a bigger brush to do this. So I didn't set it, but I took this brush and took any residue off. So I only have my e.l.f. palette, which is Drugstore. So this is what I'm going to be using to do my look. I'm going to be using these two colors here to blend my top part out. So now I'm going back in with heat after just laying down this color here that's called Shade. So I'm just building up the colors, and then I'm going to go back in with Peach for underneath the brow. Just building up all those colors so they can really stand out. Oh, the concealer I'm using is the Age Rewind Eraser, and I think this is the color Hazelnut. Made this line, so that's what I want to do on top of this cut crease. I think that would be really creative and a nice look to do. So what I did was get some eyelash glue, and then I put this color here from the Pat McGrath palette. So that's what I'm going to do, you guys. So I'm going to speed this up, but you guys can get what I'm doing. I'm just making a line on top of this cut crease I already have, and then I'm going to place the Pat McGrath color on top. I gotta fix this one, but I'll be back when I'm done because this is gonna take a while. Juvia's Place Concealer. And I hate this harsh line that my freaking concealer left. I'm gonna go in with my bronzer. This is not one of my best looks, but hey, it happens to the best of us. This is a hack, or if you want to say it's a trick, a beauty trick. When you do not have a nude lipstick, you can definitely use your brown lip liner, go in with some concealer, and then put a gloss on top. I'm going to put on my lashes, put my hair down, and I'll be back. Do you like my makeup? It looks so perfect. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, you guys, this is my final look. I don't have any liquid eyeliner, so that's okay. I still feel pretty. Thank you so much for watching my channel. I truly appreciate it. When you're here watching me, you can be anywhere in the world watching anybody else. So I thank you for giving me your time. Peace, love, and happiness to you, darling. Yes. Bye. A passage to a beautiful day.